This young boy is going to live in a very toxic environment his entire life. The spiritual light influence that he had of his father is going to be gone. He's not going to see his father until way later in his life. Then it's going to be toxic brothers, the terribly scary depths of an unfinished well, then overnight stay in that well until some caravan comes by and pulls them out. They treat him like a commodity, and they're scared that somebody's going to find him. His family's going to come looking for him. So they sold him off quickly, and they sold him on a discount price. Now he's coming, he doesn't know where he's going to end up. And in the middle of all of that, there's two things that are his strength according to this ayah. He's got an eye on the future that Allah has promised him. Allah will put you through tests because He sees something in you. But then somebody could tell me, Ustad Nouman, that's nice, but he was a prophet, Allah chose him. Well, how's that about me? Surah Al-Hajj, Surah number 22, at the end. Huwa ijtabakum. He, same word, yajtabika, selected you because of a purpose in you. He selected all of y'all. Then He said, Millata abikum Ibrahim. You are the religion of your father Ibrahim. What did Yaqub say to Yusuf? Allah has selected you. And then what did he say? That just like He completed His favor on who? Your father? Ibrahim? You see a parallel? Allah has chosen. He would not have brought you to the blessing of Islam if He didn't see something in you. He would not have brought Yusuf ﷺ in through all these trials if he did not see something in him that brings him to Allah's service.